In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Canva creator and access your affiliate links and dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and what to expect after you apply. First, open your favorite web browser and head to canva.com/creators. This is the official page where Canva outlines the creator program and what you can contribute. Give the page a moment to load and then start scrolling. You're looking for the section titled Create for a Marketplace Like No Other. It's usually positioned partway down the page and highlights the benefits of sharing your designs with Canva's global audience. Spotting this section is a good sign you're in the right place. Once you've found it, look for the button that says Become a Creator. Click that, and on the next screen, click Apply. This will take you to the application form. The form is straightforward, but take your time. You'll likely be asked for basic information about your creative background, your areas of expertise, and links to your portfolio or examples of your work. Be clear and honest, and choose examples that reflect your best style and the types of assets you want to create. If there are guidelines or eligibility notes on the page, give them a quick read so your submission aligns with what Canva is looking for. Before submitting, double-check your details for accuracy and make sure any links you include are accessible. When you're ready, submit your application. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you may receive an email letting you know that your application is under review. Approval times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder just in case you missed the initial message. Once you're approved, you'll gain access to your creator dashboard along with your affiliate links. The dashboard is your central hub. You can view your profile, manage your submissions, and monitor performance. Your affiliate links are typically easy to copy from within the dashboard. Save them somewhere you can find quickly, and consider labeling them clearly if you plan to use multiple links in different places. The dashboard is also where you'll find analytics and resources to help you improve your results over time. That's the whole process from start to finish. Visit the Creator page, scroll to the Create for a Marketplace Like No Other section, click Become a Creator, apply, and once approved, use your dashboard and affiliate links to get started. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.